पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदम् पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। We were seeing that father who has become Hiranyagarbha, and after becoming Hiranyagarbha, he has broken the shell of Adhyatmik Mana, Adhyatmik Pran and Adhyatmik Vak, and he has now taken the Adidevik Vak, Adidevik Mana and Adidevik Pran. The glory of that was being said in the last few mantras which we were seeing, and the phal was mentioned. One who has this Adidevik Vak, his Vani does not go in vain. In vain does not mean what? That if he utters something, either that will be the truth or that will become the truth. Because ordinary person's speech is tainted by his avidya, by his ignorance of the self, and his conditioned speech is there. He has opinionated speech. It may not be true, but I have made my mind that will be like that. So his speech is not going to tell the truth all the time because of its attachment, aversion, calm, growth. His speech is not the authority, and he has not done the tapasya of his speech. Because of his not doing the tapasya of his speech, he has divorced himself. He has put a wall between him and the Hiranyagarbha or the Ishwar. And therefore, if he says something, it may or may not be true. And even if it has to be true, he has to put effort, that he has to do some action to convert his speech into a reality. We saw that in the morning. And therefore, if you read Ramayana, etc., so you will see that Bhagavan Ram said, I will kill Bali. Then Sugriv got totally melted. He said, no, so Bali is very good now. And then he said, please don't kill. Then Bhagavan said, my speech is amogh. Whatever I say will happen. So, अब प्रभु कृपा करो ए भांति सब तजी भजन करो दिन राति. He said, Bali is very good, because of him you are God. Then Bhagavan said, no, but I have already said. So we don't develop the power in our speech. We take a sankalp, we break it. By repeated breaking of our sankalp, the power of sankalp goes away. I thought I will do this, I did not do this. I thought I won't do this, I did that. More a person has an individualistic life, more he is losing his power. And power means what? I have defined it also. The power of a person is that without working for a long time, without putting lot of effort, he can transform his words into an object. Thought of object becomes object of thought. This is the power of a person. I had mentioned about that. So that speech was now Adi Devik speech. Then came the mind aspect also. The mind also has been, mind is now identified to the all mind. You remember that? What is the fruit of that? He is happy. Happiness is the name of identification with the bigger. And sadness is the name of identification with the smaller. So now, because of his identification with the bigger, he is happier, because he does not feel that I am excluding anybody. This was the second point, if you remember, that was said there. You remember that? And therefore, saints are very happy, because they don't want anything for themselves. They have no attachment, so there is no fear of losing anything. Ahankar is not there, so there is no demand of thinking one body and one person is louder and bigger. And therefore their joy is very high. And third thing was Pran Shakti, which you remember. So his Pran Shakti, whose? Hiranyagar. This Hiranyagar Pran Shakti will be the one which will become the Prana Shakti of all. And therefore he doesn't get hurt, because he feels the one who is hurting is also me. And one who is hurt is also me. So there is no differentiation of hurted and hurter. There is no hurter and hurted, because he identifies with the whole. I gave you the example one day. One saint, somebody beat him. Remember that example? And he fainted. When he fainted, he was brought into hospital. So police said, who was beating you? He said, the one who is giving me milk, he alone was beating me. Bole, acha? Bole, no, don't arrest him. Only form was different. Essential person was same. So they see themselves like that. There was one saint called Dulhe Baba. Dulhe Baba. Bole, what name? एक तो बाबा फिर दूल्हे. But his name became Dulhe Baba. He used to sit like this. Anybody whose daughter was getting married, they used to come and put lot of ornaments of the daughter on him. Necklace, earring. He used to sit. Well, it has touched his body, so it has become auspicious for whole life. And next day morning, he used to take it out. Once it so happened, somebody else had put and somebody else took it out. Now the one who had put, he came in the morning. He said, Baba, who took it? Bole, I don't know who. The one who had put, he took it away. I don't see who puts, I don't see who takes. When I see myself in someone, that gives lot of quietness. Gurudev used to say, mistakes become thick when love is thin. Faults become thick when love is thin. Faults become thick when love is thin. The whole world is run by love only. So ठीक है, हमारा ही एक पार्ट है, थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ पार्ट है. I have a part which is not functioning properly, but is my part. So a person does not exclude anybody. Because anybody you exclude, his thought will give you problem. One day I told what I felt. To love somebody means the thought of a person doesn't give you any problem. Loving is an intellectual process first, and then an emotional identification. Loving is intellectual understanding that this person in front of me is my extension. And therefore his glory is my glory, his fault is my fault. And therefore I have no animosity or I have no grudge. I have no problem at all. Although he may give problem. But when you love somebody, in that relation you have dissolved your ahankar. Because you don't want anything after that. When you want something for yourself from somebody separately, then that becomes an attachment. But when you love to love and not to want, that is becoming purifying love. So love is the biggest purifier on earth. Okay. Loving is the act of purifying. Not to love means I am strengthening my ahankar. And this person who has identified with Hiranyagarbha, he loves it unconditionally. So he is giving without wanting. It is his nature. Left hand gives something to right hand. Right hand doesn't have to thanks. It is his very nature after. Okay. If something is, your back is itching and hand is itching the back need not thank the hand. It is my nature. More a person becomes effortless in seeing himself in others, more his emotional problem will be solved. Emotional problem is equal to inability to see myself in someone and the desire to get something from somebody. फिर से बोलें, emotional problem is my inability to see myself in someone plus wanting something from somebody. That creates an emotional problem. So he has crossed that state also. Next thing was about the prana shakti. His prana shakti is for all. His prana shakti is not for himself only. That means he is working to to get work for others, so that others' work is not obstructed, he is working for that. That was Nelson Mandela's work. In South Africa, Nelson Mandela is an icon. You know what is the biggest cause? 28 years he was in the terrible prison. In Cape Town, there is a place called Robben Island. It is an island, so nobody can run, because if you run, there is a big cold water full of shark. Anybody tried, he couldn't reach other shore. When he was taken there is one book called Long Life, Long Way to Freedom. When he was taken there, temperature was 1-2 degree. I will tell you what they go through. At a young age, 30s I think, so he was asked to take out his clothes. When he was taken out the clothes, it was put in the water. I said, now you can put it. This was the start, in that cold. And his cell is also there. You know what was the day's task? Big stone, push it half kilometer alone. So put all the force to push the stone, boulder. Next day, put it back. And all to break the spirit, that you stop this movement. 28 years is a very big time. Almost life has gone. And that person said, no, I won't budge from that point. And what was his aim? His aim was that others' work you don't stop. What others' enjoyment and others' right is there, you should not stop it. You should give it back to them. So he identified with the prana of all. Don't obstruct somebody's prana shakti. Allow him to work. Allow him to go where he wants. Allow him to be free. That is prana shakti. And when you go for that, individual hurting is not after that. Police is scolding or shouting, he said no. Now because he is identified with that big, so he is not taking it personal. Impersonalization is the secret of divinization. Because he has not put himself into one cage called body. You heard in the morning this point. And here Bhashyakar says, what he says, am I audible till the end? It's okay? Thank you. Tatha Ishwarasya api aparichhinnatmanah. See, page 378. Mamatavadi dukkha nimitta. So what is the cause of sorrow? I-ness, myness. Cause of sorrow is I have developed a separate identity. Apart from the whole, cutting from the whole. And I want that this particular imagined wrong identity should be not touched. And the law is, anything which is apart, it will be vulnerable. Any part is subject to hurt. This is the law. But I don't want that anybody should do anything. That is wrong. But this person, this Jeev who has identified with the Hiranyagarbha, he does not get the sorrow because he feels the one who is hurting is also mine. And all prana is my prana. See second line, second paragraph, page 378. तदेतत् उच्यते तदु यदु किंच यत् किंच इमाः प्रजाः शोचयन्तिं एव सहैव प्रजाभिः तच्छोकादि निमित्तं दुःखं संयुक्तं भवति आसां प्रजानाम्. If the person gets grief, grief is the person's, but joy is of the one who has identified. This is what is written here. One who has becoming one with everybody. Somebody asked Gurudev, why great people are killed, shot? So there is one book, Gurudev's book, Vedanta through letters. Vedanta through letters. Part 1 and part 2. Huh? Two parts. First one has lot of letters. You read there, very beautiful answer. He said, put on the shoes of Gandhi and then you will know the joy of getting the shot. Put on the lion cloth of Jesus, then you will know what is the joy in being, put on the cross also. There is a big joy that I am not working for myself. There is a big joy that I am not living for myself, I am not working. The energy of a person is directly proportional to for whom he is working. If you work for 2 people, you will have energy of 2 people. If you work for 100, you will have energy of 100. And if you work for whole Brahmandadipati, you will have the energy of that same Brahmandadipati. And therefore Hanumanji had the energy of the whole cosmos. जिमी अमोघ रघुपति करबाना यही भांति चलो हनुमाना. Arey, he went there. He jumped and went across the ocean. Ramji had to build the bridge. he did not have to build the bridge because that cosmic energy was. We don't know how to empower ourselves. We depower ourselves, not empower ourselves. So this was the 3 kind of mana, vak and prana, Adidaivik level, entering into that Virat, Father Virat. That is the beauty of a person. Mole, but I am very sad about this issue. Moment any sadness is there, it indicates on some matter I have become small. Okay. I went to somebody's house. 2 sisters were there. One sister topped. I said, congratulations, beta, so good you did. Well done. It went away. The second sister disappeared. So while going, I said, where is the second sister? So she was not seen at all. We found out she was in one room and crying. I said, what happened? Well, I'm not good. I did not talk. I said, tomorrow your exam will be there. You may talk. He said, no, I'm not good. You did not praise me. I said, but your result was not there. And why don't you understand? Your elder sister is another your form. Why don't you see like this? Why you are separating your sister from yourself? If somebody praises my hand, this hand will not be upset. It is my own extension. Whole life should go in this building of our heart. And bigger is this project. A person will not be unhappy. He said, no, I will. I have it. What does it matter? I have it. Therefore, I always say, please do not live as one person. Live either as a representative of the Almighty. Moment you live as one small person, your whole life will be full of problems. Because many things you won't get it. And many things which you get, you may lose it. But when you live as a whole or representative of a whole, bole, that place it has gone, it is fine, I am happy. I did not get. Who wanted? I did not want. Why should I want? So these mantras, this upasana, I hope you are identifying with that. I feel there is more problem in this world is of heart than of the head. The wealth of love has been taken away by love of wealth. Wealth of love has been taken away by love for wealth. There is more problem of loving than food, etc. That is missing in the person. Chalte hain. Now let me go ahead. In next verse 379, now some vrat is mentioned. Not vrat doesn't mean fast. Vrat means some vows are there. I had chanted, I think 20th verse. No? Now let me go to the 21st verse. Please will you chant?